Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best folded dinner napkins on the market, the Gusto 300 Count Paper Dinner Napkins. If you're looking for disposable napkins that combine quality, durability, and style, you've definitely come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. These napkins come in a generous pack of 300, making them perfect for everything from casual dinners and family gatherings to larger parties and even restaurant use. Each napkin measures 15 by 17 inches when fully unfolded, giving you plenty of surface area to handle spills, messes, or just keep things neat during your meal. Folded, they are a convenient 7.5 by 4.25 inches, making them easy to place neatly at any table setting or alongside utensils without taking up too much space. One standout feature of these napkins is their two-ply construction. The extra layer provides added strength and absorbency compared to standard single-ply napkins, meaning they can handle both light and heavier cleanups with ease. Whether it's wiping up small drips or cleaning sticky hands, these napkins hold up well without tearing or falling apart. The design is classic yet elegant. The napkins are bright white with a subtle floral embossing, which adds a touch of sophistication to any occasion. This crisp white color is versatile and fits perfectly with a wide range of table themes and decorations, whether you're hosting a festive celebration or a simple dinner at home. Another practical aspect is the 1/8 fold style, which helps maximize your table space. This compact folding style allows the napkins to fit comfortably next to plates and utensils without overcrowding the setting. It's a thoughtful design choice that enhances usability while keeping your table looking organized. In terms of absorbency, these napkins perform very well thanks to their thickness and double-ply quality. They soak up spills quickly and efficiently, which makes cleanup effortless. Plus, being disposable, you can simply toss them in the trash after use, which is perfect for easy cleanup after a busy event. The Gusto dinner napkins also come in a lightweight yet sturdy package. Despite being made of paper, they have a weight and feel that rivals some cloth napkins, offering a premium experience without the hassle of washing or ironing. This makes them ideal for both everyday use and special occasions where convenience is key. Shipping is straightforward, and these napkins are sized to fit most napkin holders and dispensers, making them easy to store and access when needed. The pack is large enough to cover multiple events or gatherings, giving you peace of mind that you won't run out quickly. Overall, the Gusto 300 Count Paper Dinner Napkins bring together style, practicality, and quality in a disposable product that elevates your dining experience. Whether you need napkins for a party, restaurant, or just daily use, these offer an excellent balance of absorbency, durability, and elegant design. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your dinner napkins, this might just be the perfect choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.